High protein brownies can be fudgy brownies. I ground up 1/4 cup old-fashioned rolled oats in the Mr. Coffee grinder. Healthy brownies use 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This dairy-free dessert uses 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. These are not nut-free brownies. Use 1/4 cup of the nut butter of your choice. Rinse 1 15-ounce can black bean brownies pulse in the food processor before adding to the bowl. Add ground flaxseed, cocoa powder, 3/4 cup chocolate chips, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons balsamic vinegar. Blend and mix chocolate brownies. Spray the 8x10 pan and line with parchment paper for a guilt-free treat. Bake for 35 minutes in a 350-degree oven. For more cook-at-home recipes, click this playlist.